I'm so excited. We've come to the home of boba tea. This is what I'm led to believe. This is the original home of boba tea, the sensation that's gone across the world. And locals, they went to Natasha and Anne, who we're just about to meet, went to school just here, live here in Taichung. This is their local boba tea place. It's so exciting, so good.
其他它本身都是有咖啡因的
啊，这是有咖啡因吗？
对，只有这杯
配熏猪的。
没有，这是有咖啡因的。
啊，只有这个没有。
对，如果你要做，它原本有啊，如果你要不要茶的话，它可以帮你多付茶。
这是什么东西？
这是也跟它一样是洛神的。
Oh, that looks nice. So this is Michelle's honey latte. So it's having a little honey sprinkled on the top. Look at that. Thank you. I mean, you can't beat the home, the birthplace of boba tea, bubble tea as we call it in Australia. It's got a sort of foam head on it, almost like a beer head. It's so smooth. Now Michelle's not a big tea drinker, so she's gone for a honey latte, which is not an original. I think it's one of the more sort of what do you call contemporary designs. But look. But I love my boba tea, so this one, it's got those lovely pearls in the bottom. Let's get that in. Oh, there's a little bit of ice in there as well. It's quite exciting, really. I mean, boba tea in the birthplace of boba tea. I mean, I never thought this would ever happen, but it has. So here goes. I can't really be disappointed, can I? Oh, all the little tapioca balls. Did you see them coming up the straw? Delicious. Made even more delicious by we've got a lovely company. We've been brought here by some locals. So Michelle's going to have to try her honey latte. It's got a little lattice of honey on the top. Now, has this got tapioca pearls in the bottom?
I don't think so.
Give it a try.
Oh, wow, that's good.
Is that good?
That's good.
Let me try. Let me try.
Taste the honey.
Oh, wow. That is lovely. That's sweet. Honey. Okay, I know where we're coming tomorrow for boba tea. And we've got this lovely lady to thank for bringing us here today. And her sister, Anne, who is coming, maybe on the way. She might have beaten us to it and already had her tea and left, but we got here. Thank you very much. That's a really lovely environment in there. So I'm just going to do a little outro and say thank you to Anne and Natasha for bringing us here. Our hotel, being so close to the home, the birthplace of boba tea, is so good. That is absolutely delicious. The people here are really sweet, very kind, very friendly. The feeling, it's got a sort of like almost like it's in a temple, the building. You can see, really beautiful looking decor. there's the Aussie flag, British flag, Japanese, Korean, all the flags of all the nations. That's really nice as well. I'm wondering if that's actually because there are actually drinks on different parts of the map, so that may be the locations where they have stores around the world. I could be wrong, so correct me, but I can see one in Australia, I can see one in the UK, several in America, nothing in South America, Africa even, look, so all over the world. And of course, the king there in Taiwan. We're having GoPro issues. Dan's having the same problems I have, which is, you know, the GoPros just freeze. It's so frustrating.